That is so creepy. That CRV is honestly the reason I'm not even going into the parking lot. Its windows are down, there's no one in it, and it's just parked there. But yeah, past those trees to where BJ's sign would be, and that's where it looks like the tire center was, or wait, that wasn't the tire center. The tire center was around the back, but there are these big windows when you entered, and over there is where the gas pumps used to be. They finally took those out probably like circa 2014, 2015. And that is the other main entrance over there where that CRV is sitting. And there's another business back there too. So this hill isn't completely empty, but the parking lot, as y'all can see, is grass is growing out of it, the trees, it just looks very unkept. There's a board on that door over there. Handicap spots are right by the door, which is nice, but it's just about as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay, I've gained a bit more courage. There's still that abandoned CRV over there, but yeah, as y'all can see, there's the outline for the BJ's logo where that used to be. These trees in the parking lot are growing over it now, and there's that daycare center over there that opened right around the time this was about to shut down, and that still looks like it's running, so kids are gonna have to see that. Looks like people come up in here to cut this grass. It looks surprisingly short considering how long it's been empty. There's a better view down there. Okay, so I gained slightly more courage. Here's the full front of the store again, and all the way down. There are some old spots that used to be reserved for infants. There's that creepy CRV over there still, of course. There's some cans in the parking lot, so there have definitely been people up here, like I said. This isn't the best part of town. This is in South Cobb High School District, and if y'all are familiar with the area, y'all know that is not a very good school, so the types of people that probably come up this hill and leave those cans in the parking lot are not the type of people you probably want to be around, so yeah. But yeah. And there's that Goddard School over there, which looks like it's thriving in the midst of all this, so that's good. But the sad thing is, this is one of those areas where I'm gonna make this turn real quick. Last day of being able to hold my phone and driving. But yeah, that eye clinic over there that I was parked in at the beginning of the video, that actually used to be an Outback Steakhouse, and that down there, that's a dentist now. That used to be a bank. That was closed back when my family went to this BJ's, and there's an available rental space over there. This part of town, businesses just do not last. This BJ's was a nice place. I remember coming here with my mom when it closed back in January 2011 for the closing sale, when I realized there wasn't anything, and pretty sad to see. And there's the sign down there. The sign is completely green and covered in moss now. It was flipped around, obviously, but being flipped around for 7.5 years doesn't do it well. So I'm gonna head back now. That was kind of creepy, so I don't really make videos like this, but this is a place I've been wanting to see for a long time, and I finally got the chance to do it. So thanks y'all so much for watching, and have a great day.